If you own a 2024 or newer Can-Am Spyder F3 or RT model and are looking for a convenient way to mount aftermarket accessories to your handlebars, then you may be interested in our bolt-on top cuffs from the team over at Tricline. These black cast aluminum top cuffs are sold as a pair and replace the upper factory handlebar clamp on both the left and right side of the bars. Each top cuff features 3 pre-threaded holes so that you can mount up to 3 Ram Tough balls on each side. 1 on the front, 1 on the top, and 1 on the back side. Perfect for mounting things like a Ram phone holder, action camera mount, or drink holder. You can also add non-Ram mount accessories such as our doormate garage door opener. Each mount also features an M10 by 1.25 threaded hole underneath the aluminum cap on the top of each cuff. This is great for those of you who may want to add an additional set of side view mirrors to cover those blind spots. The installation of this mod is extremely simple and only takes a few minutes on each side. So without further ado, allow us to walk you through the installation process on one of our 2024 Spyder F3Ts.
Before you begin, make sure that your bike is on level ground and that your parking brake is engaged. Locate 2 of the M4 screws included with your kit and add a dab of removable thread lock to the end of each screw. Starting on the left side of the bike, use a T15 Torx wrench to remove the 2 factory screws holding together the upper and lower bar clamps. The factory screws and upper clamp will not be reused. Locate the aluminum top cuff labeled L for left side. Insert the alignment pin on the top cuff into the hole on the handlebars. Reinstall the factory lower clamp using 2 of the 4 provided screws and a 3mm Allen wrench. Then repeat this process to install the top cuff on the other side of the handlebars.
And that's all there is to it, folks. Now, if a set of handlebar top cuffs is on your mod list, head over to slingmods.com today or click the link in the description below to grab a set for yourself. And feel free to like and subscribe to stay up to date with everything on 3 wheels. I'm Jen, signing out until next time.